Subscription-based app marketers! Over here! Over here! It's strange to say that 2023 has been a good year, but you felt it, right? Even when the economy was looking spooky, consumers purchased more subscription services or absorbed price hikes. The good news, you can keep it up and make 2024 even better. The bad news is you'll need to hear me talking for the following couple of minutes. So put on your hats and tighten those shoelaces as we venture into the top 3 subscription app trends of 2023. Our first stop, rise in consumer spend. Despite the economic downturn, consumer spend in 2023 was 35% higher than 2022. It seems that the economy concerns marketers more than subscribers. Second stop, drop in user acquisition ad spend.
Look at this enormous fall.
User acquisition ad spend dropped 41% for Android and 30% for iOS. This is mainly because the downturn caused app marketers to shift their focus and their budgets from growth to profitability and efficiency. Our third stop, nearly half of ATT prompts lead to consent. This shows that users are cool with this request as long as they know what they're gonna get in return. So now that you've seen our key findings, here are our top 5 recommendations to keep your subscription apps thriving in the new year. It turned out that consumers actually didn't get tired of subscriptions. So get in on the action as revenue per user is only going up, and it looks like it's expected to keep on rising. Yeehaw! If your peak period is January, like most health, fitness, and education apps, start prepping your campaigns in early November, so you can launch right after Christmas, when ad inventory is cheaper and people are crafting vision boards and penning their New Year's resolutions. Try to break even on ad spend after the first month. That way you can put those recurring payments back into acquisition and keep driving that revenue into the sunset. It's all about being in the right place at the right time. So test out multiplying, personalizing, and optimizing paywall placement that deliver your offer at just the right touchpoint. And lastly, number 5, prepare for Scan 4. We've said it before, we'll say it again, start prepping for Scan 4. You'll get up to 3 postbacks, each based on a different activity window, so you can finally see how users engage with your app up to 35 days after install. You can get more insights, exclusive trends, and recommendations in our full report. Download it for free in the description box below. Well, this ends our trip for today. Maybe it's not as interesting as a trip to the Grand Canyon, but hey, no subscription app ever got good insight from that canyon. Whoa! Now that's a canyon.